to me mentally. I don't fuck with your energy. You know better, you would do better, but you don't know shit, so I'll do better. Got a new dude,